YouTube fam, Fat Man Zoom here. I got the new digs. Camera on point. Looks good, right? Hey, listen, if you haven't been to my channel before, I'm Fat Man Zoom, and I'm here to talk about Chewy. Chewy just crushed it. Monster. I want to talk to you about those earnings, what that means for the stock. I'm going to give you a little bit of details, but more importantly, what does it mean for a stock? Is it a buy? Wait till the end after the fundamentals and the technicals, and I'll tell you that answer. But first, let's get into the numbers. Boom. See what just happened? You see that? All right. So this is off of Seeking Alpha. Nothing special. You can Google this as well. But a couple things that stood out. First of all, it was their first positive, cash flow positive quarter. Earnings came in at positive 5 cents a share or 11 cents a share, wherever you're looking. But more important thing is that it's positive. The expected earnings per share were a loss of 10 cents. I thought they would beat. I didn't think they would beat by this much. They blew it out. So that's awesome. EBITDA was estimated at a loss of $800,000. Folks, is this possible? It came in at 60 million, positive 60 million. Insane. I need to confirm that number, but I trust you, Seeking Alpha. Total sales were up 51%. Gross margin looked good, 27% versus 25 estimates. AutoShip, we talked about AutoShip. This is why I love this company. We love subscription-based recurring revenue models. 69% of Chewy's sales are on AutoShip. The average customer spends $372 annually. That's huge. AutoShip, high margin, recurring revenue. Great for any company. If you have a company that has that, awesome. Note from the CEO, in 2021, we expect to realize accelerated productivity gains from full year operations at these facilities. That means that we're reopened. We expect to open our second automated fulfillment center in the second quarter of 2021. That's awesome. And another limited catalog facility in the third quarter of 2021. In 2022, we will begin automation retrofits at select fulfillment centers. Sorry, I can't speak, but what that means is increased capacity, more revenue, more money. This is awesome, guys. Shares are up after hours. What does this mean technically? All right. Let me share my screen for all you folks. Let's go to Chewy. This chart might be a little bit behind, but it's hovering around that 9-10%. Listen, I said this looked like a great asymmetrical trade opportunity on Sunday, and it stayed right there. I said below 75, I'm out. If you look at this wick from March 5th, I looked at that as a great support, and wouldn't you know, this week it held. March 26th is this candle right here. It just stayed right there. So for me, I still stand by. It's a 5-to-1 asymmetrical trade opportunity. The floor is still $75. Can it go below it? Yes. Would I be out of it? Yes. Me personally. If you're not in it, what do you do? That's the question. I would probably wait if you're not in it. I think there'll be some opportunities, but this got up to $120. $120 it touched February 16. It's been on a downtrend with everything else. However, this thing needs to be above $100. I think it will be above $100. I would actually wait potentially for a pullback. Let's look at a shorter time frame. If it breaks above, actually right here. If it breaks above 90, I wouldn't be mad at you for getting in. But again, there'll be profit taking. Wait for that. More importantly, I'd say if it can get, I think it might be unlikely. If it would come back down to 80, I'd be happy, but that definitely seems unlikely. Yeah. $81 tomorrow, maybe get in, but we got to see this play out. I'm just staying on the sideline. I'm letting this play out, seeing what happens. But there you guys have it. Chewy crushed earnings, Did really well. Hope you guys like the breakdown. Let me know what you think about Chewy. Are you a fan? We got that other one, BarkBox. STIC is a SPAC. How does this impact that stock? Keep an eye on that tomorrow too. We'll see what happens, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. I'm coming out with hella videos if you haven't figured that out. But I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for my next video. Fat Man Zoom out. Boop, 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 boop.